Hello, thanks for joining me. Just a short update today. A mock-up of the motorcycle in the form of a pair of wheels, a swinging arm and a pair of forks, and a reference photo of the bike, just so you get a understanding of what I'm trying to achieve. So it's a mock-up of the bike on the trailer as it raises and lowers. Let's have a look at it in Blender. Here we are in Blender, a reference photo of the bike, just to show us roughly what it would be like on the trailer. The trailer itself, a pair of wheels, a pair of forks and a swinging arm to represent the bike. Let's see the trailer in action. Turning the winch lowers the spine and should allow easy access for the bike onto the trailer. Just a short video today as an update. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon.